Hi, my dear students. This is Murthy. Welcome back to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's video, we are going to discuss about distances. It's not social distance or science distance. It is mathematical distance. Don't confuse. Today we are going to discuss about all the concepts related to distance from 3D geometry. I divided this concept into 5 parts. First part, we would be discussing the distance from a point to line and distance between two parallel lines. Okay, so before discussing about that, once we go through line equations in vector form and Cartesian form. See, vector equation of a line, you know that vector equation of a line is r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. It is vector equation of a line. Vector equation of a line. Is it? So vector equation of a line r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. It represents the line passes through a point a of a bar and parallel to a vector b bar. You know that. Cartesian form of line equation is x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. It is Cartesian equation of a line. Here, this line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having dr's a comma b comma c. So we know about the two line equations. One is vector equation of line and other is Cartesian equation of line. The relation between vector equation of line and Cartesian equation of line is, suppose if you take vector equation of line r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar, a bar represents point on the line, is it? A bar represents point on the line and b bar represents dr's of the line. B bar represent what? Direction ratios of this line. So from Cartesian form also you can tell the point x1, y1, z1 represent a bar vector and dr's represent b bar vector. So already you know about this. We have to use both vector equations or Cartesian equations to find distances from a point to line or distances between two parallel lines. So before enter into the concept, once we discuss projection of a vector on other vector, that is projection of a bar on b bar. So projection of a bar on b bar, you all know the formula, that is a bar dot b bar by mod b bar. Projection of a bar on b bar is a bar dot b bar by mod b bar. That length of projection is mod a bar dot b bar by mod b bar. Geometrically, what is projection once you observe? That is, here you see that A is a point and you drop a perpendicular from B to the vector B bar. Why? Because we are finding projection of AB on B bar. So drop a perpendicular from B to B bar vector. Suppose I am taking this is C. Now this length AC, this is called length of projection of what vector? A bar vector on what vector? B bar vector. So projection of A bar on B bar is what? A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. So how to get the projection? Here AB bar is the vector. We want projection of this vector on B bar vector. So drop a perpendicular from B to B bar vector. That foot of perpendicular is C. Now this length AC is called projection of vector A bar on B bar vector. Now I give you concept to how to find perpendicular distance from a point to line. How to find perpendicular distance from a point to line? See, suppose I am taking a point is P of x1, y1, z1 and given line is x minus x1 by, or already we have taken x1, y1, z1, x minus x2 by a1 equal to y minus y2 by b1 equal to z minus z2 by c1. So what information is given, you observe. A line is given and a point is given. They are asking find distance from P to this line. So what we do? Listen carefully. Suppose I am taking this is the line and they are asking distance from a point P. It is x1, y1 and z1. This is the point P. Now our target is finding distance from P to this line. So once you observe the line equation, what is the line equation? X minus x2 by a1, y minus y2 by b1 equal to z minus z2 by c1. Is it? See, by seeing this equation, you can tell one point on the line. What is that point? x2, y2, z2. So, I am taking a point on the line that is q, x2, y2, z2. Okay. Join P and Q. You join P and Q. Now, what we want? We want perpendicular distance from P to this line. So, you drop a perpendicular. Suppose I am taking this is R. Okay. See now. Here, this line equation is given. By seeing this line equation, we can tell x2, y2, z2 a point on the line. A1, B1, C1 are DRs of the line. So, DRs of this line. DRs of this line what? A1, B1, C1. And we know DRs always represent vector along the line. So, the vector parallel to this line is A1 I cap, B1 J cap and C1 K cap. Is it? Now you tell that is QR projection? Yes, QR is projection of what? Projection of QP bar on what vector? A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Can you find projection of QP bar on this vector? You know Q, you know P, you can get QP bar, that is A bar suppose. You take it is B bar. Can you find the projection? Yes, A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. You take that length of projection, you can get QR length. So, after knowing QR length and PQ length, can you find the required length PR? Yes, it is a right angle triangle. So, can you find the length PR? Yes, we can find using Pythagoras theorem. After having these two sides, you can find the length PR, that is the required distance. No need of remembering any formulas. Already you know projection of A bar on B bar formula. You all remember that formula. So, it is easy to find distance from a point to line. Just you try to understand the concept and you apply this concept, you can get the answer easily. Now we go through one example. Length of perpendicular drawn from a point to line. Length of perpendicular drawn from a point to line. So, asking length of perpendicular drawn from a point to a line means asking perpendicular distance. See here. Suppose now A line is given. Suppose I am taking this is the line. Okay. What is this line? X minus 6 by 3, y minus 7 by 2, z minus 7 by minus 2. One point is given. What is the point? Suppose I am taking that it is P 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay na? Now you can tell one point on the line by seeing this Cartesian form. One point on the line is 6, 7, 7. So I am taking the point, one point on the line, that is 6, 7 and 7. What we want? We want perpendicular distance. Drop a perpendicular from P to this. We take this is R. Okay, we have to find this length PR. Join P and Q. Okay na? Can you tell what is vector along this line? The vector along this line is dr. 3 I cap, 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Is it? You know that drs represent vector along the line. You must remember that. So here that is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay. Now we are using projection concept and we find QR length. Then using Pythagoras theorem we find PR length. Okay. So you tell what is QP bar? QP bar is OP bar minus OQ bar. You know that. So OP minus OQ minus 5 I cap minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap. Now we want QR. It is length of projection. Okay, you know formula for projection. Mod A bar dot B bar by. So this vector dot this vector, that is minus 5 I cap minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap dot 3 I cap 2 j cap minus 2 k cap by mod B bar. Now here this is B bar vector. What is that? Mod 3 I cap 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Just to do the simplification. Do dot product. You know that. It is mod minus 15 minus 10 plus 8 by root over 9 plus 4 plus 4. Is it? So here what we get, you see, it is minus 25 plus 8 minus 17. So 17 by root 17, it is root 17. Okay. We got what? QR. Is it? Can you tell the length QP? So QP length. QP length means, is it mod QP bar? Yes, we know QP bar vector. So mod QP bar, what is it? Root over 25, 25 and 16. Is it? So what is this? It is root 50 plus 16. So 66. It is root 66. Okay. We want what? We want PR. So use Pythagoras theorem. So from triangle PQR, right angle triangle PQR, PR square equal to PQ square minus QR square. Is it? So what is that PQ square? That is 66 minus 17. Is it? So it is what? 66 minus 17. That is the answer to this question. So do simplification. It is 9 and 5 minus 1, it is 4. So PR is equal to 7 units. So the distance from a point to line, this is the concept to that. No need of remembering any formulas. If you know what is projection, the geometrical concept, then easily you can answer this question. Thank you. Now we discuss distance between two parallel lines. Suppose one line equation is R bar equal to A1 bar plus TB bar. Other line is R bar equal to A2 bar plus SB bar. You know about vector equation of line. A1 bar represent point on the line. B bar represent drs of the line. Here A2 bar represent point on the line. B bar represent drs of the line. The two lines having same DRs here. No doubt at all, the lines are parallel. That is the reason I have taken like this. Okay. Now coming to first line, it is R bar equal to A1 bar plus TB bar. So I am taking that a point on this line, that is A of A1 bar. And coming to second line, it is a point on the line is A2 bar. So I am taking B of A2 bar. We have to find distance between two parallel lines. So just you drop a perpendicular from A to this line. Yes, we have to find this length. Join A and B. That is this. Suppose I am taking this is angle theta between them. Okay. And also you know drs of this line, that is B bar. So the vector along this line, that is B bar vector. Is it okay? See here, we want this AC perpendicular, the distance we want. So you take sine theta. Now here it is a right angle triangle. So you take sine theta, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. So what? That is AC by that AB. Is it right? So I am taking that AC length we are taking. So mod AC by mod AB bar. Is it? We want that AC length. So mod AC bar is equal to mod AB bar into sine theta. What is mod AB bar? OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar minus OA bar? So that is mod A2 bar minus A1 bar sine theta. Is it? So the length AC, I mean the distance between two parallel lines is mod A2 bar minus A1 bar into sine theta. Still we can do the simplification here. Multiply this with mod B bar and divided by mod B bar. So mod A2 bar minus A1 bar B bar sine theta by mod B bar. So I multiplied this with mod B bar divided with mod B bar. Now you observe the numerator. Is it like mod A bar, mod B bar, sine theta? What is formula for that? Yes, mod A bar cross B bar. So it is mod A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar by mod B bar. So the distance between two parallel lines, is what? Mod A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar by mod B bar. See, coming to this, you have to find a distance between two lines. Once you observe the two lines, they are in vector form. R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar. See here, we know that this represent B bar vector, that is this represent DRs of the line, right? And also this represent DRs of the line. Once you observe both the lines, are they having same DRs? Yeah. So are they parallel lines? Yes. We have to find distance between two parallel lines. So just now we derived the formula. What is the formula? That is the required distance is mod A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar by modulus of B bar. Okay. So here you know that it is A1 bar vector. This is A2 bar vector. Now you tell what is A2 bar minus A1 bar? So this vector minus this vector. What is that? I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. And here what is B bar vector? So B bar vector is 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now you take that A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar. So you know how to find cross product, determinant, I cap, j cap, k cap, and here it is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2, 1 and 2. Just evaluate it, I cap into minus 4 I cap minus j cap into minus j cap into 6, so 6 j cap, k cap into 7, so 7 k cap. Okay, anyhow you have to take modulus to that, is it right? So once you put the values in the formula, so required distance equal to modulus of a2 minus a1 bar cross b bar. So take modulus to this, what, root over 16, 36 and 49 by mod b bar, it is b bar, modulus to this, what is that, root over 4 plus 1 plus 4, is it? So here you see that it is 36, 16, 52, so 52 and 49, it is root 101 by 3 units. So this is distance between two parallel lines. Thank you.